Welcome back guys, I'm Ralph the Chef and this is Dépêche food channel. Let's get started! Today I'm gonna show you how to make pea and mint soup. For that you will need large white onions, butter, fresh or frozen spinach, garden peas, bunch of mint, vegetable oil and sea salt. Let's start from onions. Cut off both ends, half it and peel off the skin. Now you can slice it into some chunky bits or slice it thin, it's up to you. We are going to blend it all later on, so it's not that important. Take mint and chop it into smaller pieces. Let's grab a big pot and put on the stove over high heat. Now drizzle some oil on the bottom, then drop and melt your butter. Oil will keep it from burning. Take onions and fry them on that butter until golden soft, occasionally stirring. Add water and bring it to boil. Now take your spinach cubes and drop inside the pot. Add garden peas, season with salt, and when boiling again, drop your mint, stir everything together and cook for no more than 5 to 10 minutes. Grab your soup, take off the stove and place on the board. Take a stick blender or pour the soup into kitchen robo if you have it and start to blend until smooth and creamy without chunky bits visible on the surface. Try it and season again if needed. Serve it with some herbs, double cream or anything you like and enjoy the taste during hot summer days as well as cold winter ones. Bon appétit! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, you can ask me anything in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, visit our Instagram profile, click the bell icon for notifications, and if you like the video, leave the thumb up. Thanks for watching and see you next time!